welcome to this channel. I'm Coffee Bean, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner and also an OBS background, which I'm currently using. Okay. So first of all, I will talk about how to make a YouTube banner first. So before we start, remember to open the canvas of a correct size because it's the YouTube requirement, and I'm going to put it down like this. Alright, just make sure that the canvas is of this size. Alright, great. And then next, please pay attention to the framework of a YouTube banner required by YouTube. So like this one, you can see only this area can be shown in all devices. Okay, so the green area. And for the red area, it can only be seen in computer or iPad. Okay. And then how about the other part? So like this, the blue area, it can only be seen on television. So I would recommend you to put all the main content in this green box, especially your YouTube channel's name or maybe a logo. But also remember you can't leave other parts blank because some people may watch your channel from other device, right? Okay, so like this. So I put my channel's name and also my logo within this box. Oh, it's a little bit out of boundary. Please let me move it up a little bit. Great. And then next, I'm going to put a background like this, because I think it's gonna be very weird if I leave, the other parts blank, right? Okay. And then I think that's enough. I mean, even maybe some people, they may watch my channel from television. I think it looks alright, right? Okay, so now I'm going to save the file, and I will choose PNG file because I remember that YouTube has some requirement or maybe a limit on the file size, and of course PNG image I think it's the smallest size amongst all different types of file format. Okay, and then next I'm going to show you how it looks like when people maybe look at it in YouTube or maybe iPad or maybe their mobile phone. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so you can see now if you look at my YouTube channel from maybe iPad, so this one is from iPad, then you can see actually everything is included in my YouTube banner. Okay, and then next I'm going to show you how to make an OBS background. Like what we have to do before making our YouTube banner. We have to ensure that we open the canvas of a correct size. So, but if it relates to how your OBS setting is, so I set my OBS at this size, so that's why I'm also gonna make the background of this size. All right, so please check with your OBS setting. Okay, and then after you open the correct canvas, then you can start your drawing or your design. Okay, so this one is the one that now I'm currently using. Okay, so just remember you have to cut a transparent part so that you can show your content there. Okay, so that's why I'm going to cut it in a rectangular shape. Okay. So this area is also the area that I'm going to put the content when I make video or when I do live streaming. So then, okay, so remember when you save the image, remove the background color. So it means like this, you have to save your file like this. Okay, and of course I just simply save it as PNG file. That's it. Okay, so you can see now that's the background that I'm using. Of course it's not gonna be really rectangular shape. You can actually do whatever you like, but just remember to leave some transparent part for your content. Okay, so basically that's how to make a YouTube banner and an OBS background. I hope you like this video or you find this useful. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.